My name is Fanis Papathanasiou. I'm an anchor and diplomatic correspondent with ERT. ERT is the public television of Greece. I'm coming from Athens, and I'm very impressed with two things here. First of all, Pakistan has done a very good job by bringing the Iranians and the Americans here for these talks, and I'm very confident that we'll have good results. Also, I'm very impressed with the organizations and the hospitality of the Pakistani people here.
My name is Roberto. I come from Italy, Roma. My personal experience in Pakistan, I just arrived this morning, so I don't have a great feeling. But the little things that I could saw was incredible. Also, especially the people of Pakistan. Yes, I tried just no the rice, the yellow rice and chicken was amazing. Also, musala was great. Another spicy roll was very good. Not like the pasta or pizza, but good.